All right, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is February 24th, 2026, and I took Nasdaq longs for a total of about, I think, a little over 1,000 profit. I made 400 on my Alpha account, and then I had like 500 across like a couple of different other accounts because I answered a little late on those. But overall, a little bit over 1,000 or a little bit under 1,000, somewhere in that ballpark. Really clean and easy day. I'll show you where I messed up a little bit, but today was a pretty picture perfect day. So if you were able to catch this trade, I mean, you can't complain. So going into the day, we opened up around this candle right here. So what was the last thing we just saw? We inversed this bearish candle to the upside. Can't even draw. We inverted this bearish candle to the upside. We were also rejecting off of this bullish candle. And on the 1 hour, we changed the state and direction. So I knew, what do we have to do? Obviously, we had to continue going up because the 1 hour was bullish. We're rejecting off of a 4-hour bullish gap. We inversed the 4-hour bearish gap. The only thing that's showing bearish is the 4-hour market structure, but everything else was showing opposite direction. And when we came into market open, we came down. This giant leg swept London lows, and then on ES, we swept London lows and we swept previous day lows. So we had an S&T with previous day lows on ES. And after that, when we created this big wick, I knew we were going to go from there for sure. After that big of a rejection candle. So from there, I was looking for the highest time frame inversion from this leg down to here, which was the manipulation leg. It happened to be this 3-minute. And this is kind of where I messed up a little bit because when this 3-minute candle closed, I answered on my main account. And I was a little like reluctant to enter on my other accounts because I thought this candle closed under this gap. I didn't know we inversed it, which we did. And so I didn't catch that trade on here. But that was my trade here. I answered right there. Stops here and then TP somewhere around here. And then for my second trade, well, either way, yeah. So I answered off the 3-minute inverse. We bounced around a little bit, and it was pretty obvious we're going to go up because we had previous day highs up there, and we had a new week opening gap at 25.058. If you scale to the 30-minute, that's the new week opening gap right there. No price action to be found. And then on my other accounts, it was a smaller trade. We came back, we entered this 5-minute, we rejected off of it. Not only did we have a change in the state on the 5-minute, we had a 5-minute inverse. So I entered right around here. Really low RR. Yeah, a little over 1.1. And then it was like nothing. I had to close early. It was like 130 on 4 counts. So it was like another like almost 500. I think I could probably show you. It popped up for a second there. So, all right, perfect. Besides that, that's pretty much it for the day. Can't complain.